Namaste, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ria, and soon I'll be starting again to post on my channel all the contents regarding the cabin crew, from the stories up from the cloud, from my layover diaries, and each and every information which you need in an interview to crack it. All the growing tips, interview tips I'll be sharing here. My aim is to inspire you all and share all the genuine information regarding the cabin crew life, which will make you understand what it truly looks like. So if this thing truly inspires you and interests you, please subscribe to my channel for all the videos and the contents which I'll be posting very soon. So see you in another video. Tab tak ke liye bye bye and take care. Namaste.